How to fix Uber driver not moving on map. First of all, make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. And if you don't have one, simply switch your network or turn on the mobile data. And also, what you can do is simply turn on the airplane mode for 5 seconds, then turn it off to refresh the cellular towers. And also, try enabling the location feature on your device. And then also make sure to clear the cache of your Google Maps application. So head backwards, then open your app gallery on your device, search for Google Maps application. Once you find it, you simply have to long press the icon itself, then access the app info panel, go down to the storage option, then proceed to clear the cache. Once you remove all the corrupted files and reload the application, your problem should be resolved. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.